Messrs. Rajkumar and Company has undertaken two contracts with A and B. The following particulars are available for the year ended 31st March 2014. Now we have our two contracts. It means that this is a sum of a many contract. So they have undertaken the two contracts, and they are giving us the information for the year ended 31st March 2014. Now, if you see the date of commencement of a contract A and contract B is different. Contract A is getting commenced from 1st of July 2013. And if our year end is 31st March 2014, it means the contract A कितने months के लिए है? 9 months, because you have to calculate from the July to March. And contract B is for 4 months, because see, it is starting from 1st of December. So whole of the December also will be counted. So, and the year end is 31st March. So contract B will be made for a 4 months. So 9 months for contract A and 4 months for contract B. Now, they have given us the items. Contract price is given. Fine. Contract price will help us to find out to do the certain calculations. Material sent to site. Material sent to site, contract account, where it will be recorded, debit side. Next is material return. Material return contract account कौन से side पर? Credit side. Closing stock of material at site. So this will be under the head WIP, and it will be written in the contract account, credit side. Direct labor, direct expenses, establishment expenses. Again, all the three are the expenses, and contract account, it will be written on a debit side. Why? Because contract account is a nominal account. Let's follow the rule of the nominal account, that is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Plant install at site. So either, see, we have a two ways to record this. Either या तो हम plant ये installed site and the closing balance of the plant we can write it down, or we can write it down just the depreciation on it. तो या तो ओपनिंग क्लोजिंग दोनों बैलेंस लिखो, और एल्स क्या कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ डिप्रिसिएशन को भी जोड़ कर सकते हैं. Work uncertified and work certified, both will be recorded under the head WIP and in the contract account credit side. And they have given us the architect fees. Architect fees is a expenses, and it will be recorded in the contract account debit side. Now, during the year, the material costing rupees 9,000 has been transferred from contract A to contract B. हमने 9,000 का मटेरियल को ट्रांसफर किया था कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी. सो फ्रॉम द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इट इज गोइंग आउट, सो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड पर, बट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी इज रिसीविंग दैट मटेरियल, सो इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. समझ में आ रहा है? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए के क्रेडिट साइड पर क्यों रिकॉर्ड करें? बिकॉज दिस मटेरियल इज गोइंग आउट. वेयर हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी के इसमें क्यों कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग द मटेरियल. सो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी के डेबिट साइड पर लिखेंगे एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए के क्रेडिट साइड. The contractor charges depreciation of 25% on the plant, but remember the commencement dates are different. So for depreciation का charging also will be different. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए, फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए के लिए इट विल बी फॉर अ 9 months, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी के लिए इट विल बी फॉर अ 4 months. यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिपेयर अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट वर्किंग फॉर द प्रॉफिट्स इफ एनी. सो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट के अलावा अगर कुछ प्रॉफिट्स भी है तो यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन द प्रॉफिट्स एज वेल, and show how the relevant items would appear in the balance sheet, assuming that the contractee had paid 90% of the work certified. और हमें ये भी देखना है, we also have to prepare a balance sheet, and they are saying that आप ये assume करो कि contractee को 90% of the work certified का जो भी amount है वो receive हो गया है. So fine, we have to first prepare a contract account, and side by side even you prepare a balance sheet and keep. Now we have a two contracts, correct? Over here, contract A and contract B. So what we are going to prepare? We are going to prepare a two columns, contract A column and the contract B ka column. Particulars. Now first contract is from 1st July to 31st of March 2014. So just write down from 1st July to 31st March, and contract B is from 1st December to 31st of March. We'll start posting now. First one is materials sent to site. So two materials, 1,60,000 for contract A and 60,000 for contract B. Next is material return. So it will be recorded in the contract account credit side by 4,000 and 2,000. Closing stock of material at site. So this will be written under the head WIP. $22,000 and 8,000. Is direct labor. So contract account debit side 2. Next we have a direct expenses. So two direct expenses. And 35. Even facing any of the doubt till here, are you all getting it? How it has been done? Just acknowledge in the chat box. And even facing any of the doubt till here, so we can move ahead. So two, next is establishment expenses recorded in the contract account debit side. 5,000 and 7,000. Is planned install at site. Now, no, in the most of the sum we have recorded plans install at this site ka opening and the opening balance in the debit side and the closing in the contract account credit side. Now in this sum we will see that how the recording of the depreciation has been done when only of a depreciation. तो भी कैसे हम account को close कर सकते, we can see that. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले ना working note में depreciation का working note कर देंगे. So just write it down, the heading working notes. First one, depreciation on for contract A and for first write down the cost of material. Sorry, that is a cost of plant. कितना है cost? 80,000 for contract A, 72,000 for contract B. Less depreciation of 25%. But here we will take for 9 months. Here we will take for so find out the figure of the depreciation. Or else what you can do, you can just write it down this. इधर ही लिखो चलेगा. So the amount over here will be 20,000. जब 80 का 25% करोगे तो you will get 20,000. 20,000 for a 9 months. So this will be 15,000. DB will be 80,000 minus 15,000. Depreciation 72%, 72,000 का 25% comes to 18,000, but we have to take it down for only 4 months. It will be for 4 months 6,000 rupees. We are just going to write down the depreciation. हमें सिर्फ ये वाला part record करना है. So depreciation $10,000 and 4,000. No, sorry, we got 6,000. Yes, 6,000. So here it will be 66. Next is work uncertified under the head WIP. 20,000 and 10,000. Next we have work certified. 4,20,000 and 1,35,000. Next is architect fees. Contract account debit side. Later on, the plant was being transferred from contract A to contract, material was transferred from contract A to contract B. So as we discussed, here you are going to write by A के credit side पे, where you will be writing debit side to material transfer. Just write whole by material transfer to contract B. And now we can just find out the notional profit. ये कितना हो रहा है? So, and here for work depreciation, just write down in the bracket working note number 1. Second working note for finding out the, पहले तो close करते हैं account. Credit side, how much it is coming? Of B, 1,55,000. And debit side, 1,60,000. So B case में debit side is higher than the credit side. So क्या हुआ है? Loss हुआ. So this will directly, ये जो 5,000 का loss होगा, that will be transferred to the profit and loss account only. So by loss account. Why we are directly transferring? Because loss हो गया ना. And this loss will be transferred because there is no notional profit. तो आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि कितना reserve में जाएगा, कितना P&L account में जाएगा. This is loss and this loss will be directly recorded in the profit and loss account. Now for the A, debit side is 4,18,000. Credit side is 4,78,000. So obviously credit is higher than the debit and we got a notional profit over here. Four lakh 18,000. We got a notional profit of 60,000. Notional. Let's find out now how much amount we need to transfer it. So working note number 2, profit which we need to transfer in. Contract price देखो कितना है? 6 lakh rupees. So write down that the contract price is 6 lakh rupees. Work certified is how much? 4 lakh 20. So in the second line, just write down. Find out the amount of the work completed. That is a percentage of the work completed. How you will get this percentage of work completed? I'm just writing down CP for the contract price and WC for the work certified. So work certified divided by contract price into 100. 2,20,000 divided by 6 lakh. This will give you 70%. 70% of the work is completed. And the cash जो भी हमें received हुआ था to the contract price is how much? 90%. See over here, they have told us that it is 90%. So therefore we can just start it down. Since 70% हुआ है तो it will be 2/3 of the notional profit. So I'm not writing down whole of the formula right now. If you want, I can just 2/3 of the notional profit into cash received divided by work certified, because what we take cash received to work certified. So 2/3 of the notional profit is 60,000 into 90%. So 90 divided by 100. $36,000 आया. Here you are going to write down to profit and loss account. बाकी का क्या हो जाएगा? Reserve. So W reserve. 36,000. So 24,000 ka what will be prepared? 24,000 ka it will be the reserve. Now, so liability side हम क्या लिखते हैं? So profit and capital होता है, but here we don't have a capital. So profit and loss account. But right now 36,000 का profit for contract A, but for contract B we were having a loss of 5,000. So minus loss of 5,000 if we do, तो कितना आएगा? 31,000 का profit you will be getting. दोनों का मिला के, because here we are preparing the balance sheet extract for both contract A and contract B together. अब asset side क्या क्या record करते हो? सबसे पहले तो हम record करते हैं fixed assets को. तो plant है हमारे पास, a plant of both 80,000 plus 72,000 plant for contract A and contract B. Take the amount together. कितना आएगा? 1,52,000. On that we have charged the depreciation as well, so less. Thousand plus 6,000. So this will be 21,000. Then we write down WIP, work in progress. But for contract A, work certified we write down work uncertified and material at site. लिखा पहले Then we take down the total 4,65,000. तक कुछ भी डाउट है? Any doubt till here? Then what we subtract the reserve from it. So less. कितना है रिजर्व? 24,000 सी over here. कितना है रिजर्व? 24,000 का. So subtract 24,000. This will be equal to 4,41,000. And later we subtract the cash received. So less cash received. Which is 90% of work certified. See, in the adjustment they have given us na, it is a 90% of work certified. So 90% of 4,20,000. 3,78,000. This will be written in the outer column. The amount will be 63. ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए के लिए किया. Any doubt till here? ये 90% बट किसका? Because 4,20,000 का. It was been told that the contractee has paid 90% of what? Work certified. So 90% of 4,20,000. The same way we have to do it for the B as well. So work in progress. So write down, carried down. For contract B. Same way, first we write down work certified, work uncertified, and the material at site. One lakh 35,000, 10,000, and 8,000. We have any reserve over here? नहीं, क्योंकि हमें तो लॉस हुआ था. So there is, we won't be writing down the reserve. तो फिर क्या करोगे? Directly subtract करेंगे. Reserve नहीं है तो cash received. First take the total of this 1,53,000. Less cash received. 90% of what? Work certified. यहाँ पर work certified कितना है? 1,35,000. So 1,35,000 का 90%. 1,21,500. So this will be 31,500. We can do over here. तुम लोग फिर confuse हो जाओगे. So it's better कि I write it down. It's 90. This cash received is 90% of percent of 4,20,000. फिर यहाँ पर 90% लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Same way, we can write for the B. %90 of 1,35,000. But how much? 31,500. For B. So this is how the sum has been done when they are asking us for the many contracts as well as with the balance sheet. Obviously liability side में और कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. अब सिर्फ profit and loss के अलावा nothing will come. You need to show the working notes because they have clearly told us that working notes for the profit is required. So wherever require the profit, this working notes are required, you need to do the working notes.